Pi Network is working hard to become a real thing. But what does that really mean? Well, in the world of digital currencies, being real means being trusted, secure, and widely accepted. It's not just about having a cool app or a fancy logo. It's about building a network that people can rely on, a network that can stand the test of time and scrutiny. To achieve this, Pi Network is taking several crucial steps. One of the most important steps is ensuring that every user on the network is a real verified person. This is not just a technical requirement, it's a foundational principle that underpins the entire network's integrity and trustworthiness. To make this happen, they need to make sure everyone on the network is a real person. This is where KYC, or Know Your Customer, comes into play. KYC is a standard process used by many financial institutions and digital platforms to verify the identity of their users. It's a way to ensure that the people using the service are who they claim to be. This is where KYC comes in. KYC means Know Your Customer, and it's a way for Pi Network to confirm that you are who you say you are. By verifying your identity, Pi Network can prevent fraudulent activities and ensure that the network remains secure and trustworthy. KYC means Know Your Customer, and it's a way for Pi Network to confirm that you are who you say you are. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want fake money in your wallet, right? The same goes for Pi Network. They want to make sure that all the Pi coins are going to real people. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a wallet full of money. You wouldn't want any of that money to be fake, would you? Fake money would be worthless and could cause all sorts of problems. The same principle applies to Pi Network. They want to ensure that all the Pi coins in circulation are held by real, verified individuals. You wouldn't want fake money in your wallet, right? The same goes for Pi Network. They want to make sure that all the Pi coins are going to real people. This helps to keep the network safe and trustworthy. The same goes for Pi Network. They want to make sure that all the Pi coins are going to real people. This helps to keep the network safe and trustworthy. By ensuring that every user is verified, Pi Network can build a community of real, engaged users who are committed to the network's success. They want to make sure that all the Pi coins are going to real people. This helps to keep the network safe and trustworthy. KYC is a big step for Pi Network. It shows that they are serious about becoming a real cryptocurrency. By implementing KYC, Pi Network is taking a significant step towards building a secure and reliable platform. This helps to keep the network safe and trustworthy. KYC is a big step for Pi Network. It shows that they are serious about becoming a real cryptocurrency. It demonstrates their commitment to security and trust, which are essential for any digital currency to succeed. KYC is a big step for Pi Network. It shows that they are serious about becoming a real cryptocurrency. So if you're a Pi user, getting KYC verified is important. It's your way of proving you're a real part of the Pi community and that you believe in the future of Pi Network. It shows that they are serious about becoming a real cryptocurrency. So if you're a Pi user, getting KYC verified is important. It's your way of proving you're a real part of the Pi community and that you believe in the future of Pi Network. By completing the KYC process, you are helping to build a stronger, more secure network. So if you're a Pi user, getting KYC verified is important. It's your way of proving you're a real part of the Pi community and that you believe in the future of Pi Network. KYC is all about making Pi Network a safer and more reliable platform. By verifying your identity, you are contributing to the overall security and trustworthiness of the network. It's your way of proving you're a real part of the Pi community and that you believe in the future of Pi Network. KYC is all about making Pi Network a safer and more reliable platform. By taking this step, you're not just verifying your identity, you're contributing to the success of the entire Pi community. KYC is all about making Pi Network a safer and more reliable platform. By taking this step, you're not just verifying your identity, you're contributing to the success of the entire Pi community. You're helping to create a network that people can trust and rely on. By taking this step, you're not just verifying your identity, you're contributing to the success of the entire Pi community. You're helping to create a network that people can trust and rely on. So, stay tuned to learn more about KYC and how it works within the Pi network. Together, we can build a stronger, more secure future for digital currency. Stay tuned to learn more about KYC and how it works within the Pi network. By understanding and participating in the KYC process, you are playing a crucial role in the growth and success of Pi Network. Together we can build a stronger, more secure future for digital currency. KYC is super common in the crypto world. It's all about keeping things safe and secure. Cryptocurrencies are often the target of bad guys trying to scam people or launder money. That's why it's important to know who's who. KYC helps to prevent these problems. By verifying the identities of their users, crypto platforms can make it much harder for bad actors to operate. This makes the whole crypto world a safer place for everyone. Imagine a world without KYC. It would be like a crowded marketplace with no security guards. Anyone could walk in and cause trouble. KYC helps to create a more organized and secure environment for everyone involved. Getting KYC verified on Pi Network is easier than you might think. The process is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, ensuring that you can complete it without any hassle. Here's a step-by-step guide to walk you through it, so you can get verified quickly and start enjoying all the benefits Pi Network has to offer. First, open the Pi Network app. This is where it all starts. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed to avoid any issues. Next, find the KYC section. Look for a tab or button related to KYC. It might be labeled as KYC verification or something similar. This section is crucial as it will guide you through the verification process. Then, provide your information. You'll need to share some basic personal details like your name, address, and date of birth. Make sure the information you provide matches your official documents to avoid any delays. After that, verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a photo of your government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. Ensure the photo is clear and all details are visible. Finally, take a selfie. The app will ask you to take a selfie to match with your ID. This step helps to confirm that you are the person in the ID document. That's it. Once you've completed these steps, Pi Network will review your application. The review process might take some time, so be patient. If everything checks out, you'll be KYC verified. Congratulations! You can now fully participate in the Pi Network community and enjoy all its features. Even though the Pi Network KYC process is designed to be simple, people still run into problems. Here are some common issues and how to solve them. First, a rejected application. This can happen for a few reasons, like blurry photos or incorrect information. Make sure your documents are clear and all details match exactly. Next, verification delays. Sometimes it takes a while for Pi Network to review your application. Be patient. If you haven't heard back after a few weeks, you can reach out to their support team. Just remember, if you are facing problems, don't worry. The Pi Network support team is there to help you. Section 5. Mainnet Migration. Why KYC is your ticket to entry. Mainnet migration is a big deal for Pi Network. It's when they move from a test phase to a real live network. Think of it like graduating from school. But here's the catch. Only KYC verified users will be able to migrate their Pi coins to the mainnet. Why? Because a secure and trustworthy network is super important for mainnet. KYC is your ticket to the mainnet. Without it, you risk being left behind. Section 6. KYC Success Strategies, Tips and Tricks for Smooth Sailing. Want to increase your chances of getting KYC verified? Here are some tips. Double-check your information. Make sure all the details you provide are 100% accurate. Use high-quality images. Take clear photos of your ID and selfie in good lighting. Be patient. The verification process takes time. Don't worry if you don't get approved right away. Following these tips can help make your KYC experience as smooth as possible. Section 7. The Future of Pi Network. Building a Trusted Ecosystem. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is not just about following rules and regulations. It's about building a trusted and secure ecosystem for Pi Network. This process ensures that every user is a real person, which is crucial for the integrity and growth of the network. By ensuring that all users are real and verified, Pi Network can attract more investors and partners. Investors are more likely to put their money into a platform where they know the user base is genuine and trustworthy. This verification process can lead to more significant investments and partnerships, which are essential for the network's expansion and success. A trustworthy platform is more appealing to those looking to invest or collaborate. When businesses and investors see that Pi Network is committed to maintaining a secure and verified user base, they are more likely to engage with the platform. This trust can lead to increased collaborations, innovations, and overall growth of the network, increase the value of Pi, As the network grows and becomes more trusted, the value of Pi is likely to increase. A secure and verified user base can lead to higher demand for the currency, driving up its value. A secure network with real users is likely to see an increase in the value of its currency, foster a stronger community. When users know that everyone in the network is verified, it builds a sense of security and trust. This trust fosters a stronger, more engaged community, which is vital for the network's long-term success. Knowing that everyone is a verified user builds trust and unity among the PI community. This unity is essential for creating a collaborative and supportive environment where users can connect, share ideas, and work together towards common goals. By embracing KYC, Pi Network is taking a significant step towards mainstream adoption and creating a more robust and sustainable platform. This commitment to security and verification not only protects the network but also paves the way for future growth and success. As more users join and the network continues to expand, the importance of a trusted ecosystem becomes even more critical. Section 8. The importance of patience in the KYC process. The KYC process, like many important processes, requires patience. It might take a little bit of time for your application to be reviewed and approved. This is completely normal. The Pi Network team is working hard to verify each and every application thoroughly to ensure the security of the network. So, while you're waiting, remember that good things come to those who wait. This patience will pay off when you can fully participate in the Pi Network ecosystem. Section 9. Conclusion: your Pi, your KYC, your responsibility. KYC is an essential step for Pi Network users. It's your way of proving your identity and becoming a verified member of the community. While there might be some hiccups along the way, the process is designed to be straightforward. Remember, getting KYC verified is not just about following the rules. It's about protecting your Pi, securing the network, and contributing to the future of Pi Network. Take the time to complete your KYC verification and be a part of building a trusted and valuable Pi Network.